My computer gives me the pretty picture every day, every morning. Well, not different every morning, but I put some compost in the compost thing, and then I walked over to the house to meet up with Vichy. And we saw some more beautiful leaves. There we are. Oh my gracious, I'm so lucky. Good morning, friends. This must be October 17. Yeah. Not going to be working in the wood this morning, which is working on the van brakes, which is good. So, and we went shopping on the side of the road on our way home last night, and look what we found. That is one sturdy table, I can tell you. That's one sturdy table. We're going to use it down here, Richie, on his side of the big splitter, or either splitter, I guess. I don't know. Oh my heavens, most of the leaves are gone. Down. Oh. Yeah, they're looking pretty bare. Finally getting that noise fixed. It was a brake pads on the back. Because when you checked it before, you checked the front, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can get the fish on back.
Oh my goodness.
I'm going to do that.
I don't know. I don't know anything about that, hon.
No, I don't need it right now.
Oh. What are these, the old ones?
Yeah, that's one of them. There's the other one.
Oh, that must have been the one that was screeching.
Yep, no pad on it at all.
Oh, wow. When did we have those put on?
I think a Canadian Tire that time.
Yeah, okay. So they lasted.
Yeah.
Because that was... That would have been 2 years ago, and then we had it done at the in Shelburne, so...
You did?
Yeah. I took it one day, walked around town, and waited for them.
On the front wheels or back wheels?
Oh, I don't know. No, road inspection. I was trying to figure it out how many years, because going by the road inspections is good for 2 years. Yeah. So, let's look over here and see what the date is. 22. Oh no, 23. It's good until September 23.
Okay, for another year.
So, at least 3 years. Okay, I'll go for a walk now.
Okay.
There's a lot of red leaves down. The tree is getting bare. It's skipper number 7. Come here. Oh my goodness, how old?
Oh gosh, he's not bare. He's probably 10 weeks.
Oh my goodness. Are you being a good boy? Whoops.
He's learning all about... you just don't have free run.
No. But they learn easier when they're babies. You can't get off. Oh my goodness. There's still mushrooms growing. Pine needles and the leaves are soft from the dew. We'll see if we see any ducks. It smells like there's smoke everywhere. I smelled it in my yard, but now I'm down to the park and I still smell it. And everything, the air looks gray. I might not go very far because that's not good for me to breathe in. One of my Facebook Scrabble playing ladies, girls, women, she's still nice and a nice temperature yesterday, but there's wildfires. And she's got the smoke from the wildfires. But it's not good for anybody, let alone people that are sensitive to it or have any kind of lung issues. I don't think I have a lung issue. It's just Just the environmental thing. Little oak tree. I can see my breath. I don't know if you guys will see it or not. I don't see it. We came inside the house where it's not smoky in here. Yeah, still got the Christmas thing up from 3 years ago. Oh, what's he digging out of the fridge? Oh, yum, 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 yum.
Carrots.
Oh, the carrots are here somewhere.
It's in the fridge. When do you want them?
Well, I don't think I can carry them home. When you come to pick me up, or I probably will walk over here again.
Well, I can take them over. You want to cook them this morning?
No, I don't want to cook them this morning.
What?
No.
Oh.
No, I don't want to cook them tomorrow. Today.
Oh. Uh-huh.
I heard Jed over here again. I need a bag.
I am the big and van. Here. Plastic one, I'm going to send that over. So you put water bottles in on the back door again.
Yeah. Oh, I'm putting him in a bag. Take him home with me. He'll bring the carrots later. How many pounds is it? Do you know? Oh, no, you don't know because they come out of that other bigger bag.
It's a pot full.
A pot full.
Regular potato pot is full.
Oh, okay then. Yeah.
And they're quite big around.
Oh, they better not be that big. They're not as sweet and tender. They have a strong taste.
Oh, yeah.
So he's got his insulated coveralls on, friends. He told me to wear one hoodie, and he's dressed like that.
Yeah.
I gotta get out and go home. Oh, there's the oak tree through the window.
I'm gonna cut it. That's a lot of trees there. There's 20 of them.
Yeah. He's been saying that for a few years now.
I'm thinking about cutting them down pretty quick, so the leaves will be all over here. Before the leaves fall off, the leaves do fall off, I think.
Yeah, the oak leaves are the last to fall off. The last to turn and fall off.
Yep.
Anyway, you always forget anyway, so.
I'm soaking my bucket.
Yeah. All right, well, we got to get out of the smoke. So, say see you to the friends. Oh, we'll get one together. No, I'll put the sun in back of us, son. Yeah, I know, back to it. So that.
Oh! There we are.
YouTube thumbs up. And that's it.
Smoky.
Look it. Oh.
Booby trap.
It's got a booby trap there for me. I tripped and almost went down on the cement. You would have heard some hollering.
Yep. I got the hood open on the old vanny.
Yeah, I know. We saw it. We're going.
Yep.
All right, later. What time did we say we're leaving?
3:30.
3:30. Or maybe between quarter after and 3:30. Yep. If you're bringing the carrots.
Yep. Yep.
All right then. Later.
Yep.
I wanted to work on fill this wagon here, but somebody was just skiving yesterday, and when they were supposed to be working on the van, they weren't. Not they, he. I'll put it that way. I love my work area. secret passageway. There's still some pretty leaves here. Sun's coming up over the east. Oh yeah, a lot of the leaves are down compared to what this view looked like before. There they are on the ground. Ooh, hey. There's an oak. There isn't even a breath. Maple leaves. These ones are maple leaves. There's yellow ones. I'm not sure what they are. They're on a birch tree. They're birch. See, I am a detective. Yeah. These are big, humongous maples. Yeah, maple. And there's a big birch. I'll get some editing done anyway. Here's the oak that's starting to turn. There's a maple tree and birch trees. Oh, the beauty's almost on the ground. Yeah. I don't think there's this much smoke in the air, but I can't chance it. I gotta go in. Mama, it's only Mama. Mommy. Well, Mama. Mommy. It's okay, girls. Oh, I didn't take my pills. Oh well. The light came on and in here in the porch again last night. That's a big Amazon box. If you can see the big Amazon smile. A gift for you, ship in Amazon packaging. I didn't ask for a gift. From Patricia Harding to Patricia Harding. I didn't ask for it being a gift. I thought this box was full, but this is $29 of... I'll just leave this big box for Richie. Charmin, ultra soft. I thought it was a bigger package than this for what did I say, $28 plus taxes? Two, 4, 6, 8. 3 8s are 24. Yeah, it says right there, 24 mega rolls. But these, yeah, they're the big rolls. Maybe it is what I wanted. Anyway. Okay, what did I want cardboard for? Anyway, I'll save these for him. There. Where should I put it so he'll grab it? I'll put it down there. Oh well, it's not where I meant for it to go, but there it is. Oh, I gotta take my name off it. Leaves on the deck. All right, let's go in. Let's go in. We'll take one. We'll take one with us each time we go. Or maybe I can take two. Oops. Yeah, it's supposed to be 4 rolls in a mega roll. So, yeah. Yeah, I can carry 2 with one hand. Yeah. Oh, did I wake you? Sorry. Oh, I woke you too. Mom got the toilet paper opened up. So, gotta get my boots off here. Because it's wet out. I don't want to traipse across the floor. Because guess who has to clean it up? Yeah. Moi. There you go. Okay, this goes by the fridge. Oh, there's a mark from my boots. I'll have to, from my boots this morning it must be. Well, they look like they're shorter, but maybe it's just because they're fatter. Maybe it's just because they're fatter this way that they look shorter this way. Because when I was bigger this way, I used to look shorter this way, but now it looks like I'm taller. Yeah, I had one friend tell me, are you taller? I said, no, but I stand taller and I sit taller. Because I don't have all that weight on me and no energy or strength. Yeah, so, yeah. Okay, kitties. Let's get the broom. This is the best broom in the whole wide world. Yeah, I bought it for somebody for a gift, but then I liked it so much I kept it for myself. Because you press that button and you haul your thing in like that. You can have as long the bristles as you want. And then when you put it on here, and then, yeah. So, anyway. Alright, you're making more dirt. How am I making more dirt? It's okay, Callie. I'm not going to come after you with the broom. Nobody ever came after her with a broom since 11 years since we've had her, so I don't know why she's scared of the broom. Most cats are. Well, not most, but okay. I gotta take them down the hall. This down the hall. Take off the earmuffs. I'm here until 3 o'clock. Hi, Callie. And I'll be wearing my sneakers then. Yeah. What a quick girl. Look at her. Oh, my gracious. Missy, oh, my gracious. They don't like to look at the camera. You see that? As soon as I look at them with the camera, they're turning their heads the other way. Huh? Okay. I come back. I'll get the garbage from the bathroom I just dumped. And I get the 3rd package of the Sherman Ultra Soft. 8 rolls equals 32 rolls. Yeah, I don't know. More absorbent. You don't have to use as much of it. Not sponsored. Okay, friends. 10:30. I'm gonna edit while I'm waiting for brunch time. Meow, 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 meow. Kitties, kitties, kitties. They own me. Okay, friends. October 17. There's my sweet potato, my white potato, my peas, my fall ornament, and the last of the soup, the vegetable soup that I made. Here I am, pouring it in. This is the starch solution. At least 50% of my bowl is whole starch, which is potatoes and peas and corn. So I'll put it in the microwave and heat it up. Okay, it's all heated up. I'm going to mingle and marry all the flavors and textures, cooked and uncooked, because the peas and corn are just thawed up. I don't cook them. Well, they cook when they're in the soup, but no, I put them in the soup after. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Okay, friends, first bite going in. The secret is calorie density. Nothing in this bowl is over 600 calories a pound. Friends, if you could just subscribe and hit the bell and give us a thumbs up, it would help us.